It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Applewood. If your furnace is suddenly acting more like an air conditioner, you're not alone. Here are some possible causes and solutions. First, your furnace might just be starting up. Many systems blow cool air for the first minute or two before the heat kicks in. But if it stays cold, check your thermostat. Is it set to on instead of auto? The on setting runs the fan constantly, even when the furnace isn't heating. Another culprit is a dirty air filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow, causing the furnace to overheat and shut off the burners for safety, leaving only cold air blowing. Replace the filter and see if the heat returns. You could also be dealing with an extinguished pilot light or an issue with your ignition system. If the burners aren't firing, the air will never warm up. And finally, your furnace might be struggling with a more serious mechanical or electrical problem. In that case, it's best to call a professional to diagnose the issue before it gets worse. If your furnace is blowing cold air, start with these simple checks, but don't hesitate to get expert help to keep your home warm and safe. We thought you'd like to know.